What would you say is the most promising technology that will drive food safety, food quality, productivity, and sustainability in the food industry in the coming years? A few years ago, EHEDG established a new working group to develop a new set of guidelines on the topic of sensor technology. And with us today is the chairman of this working group, Holger Schmidt. Hi, Holger.
Hello. Good day.
Would you agree if I say that sensor technology may emerge to become the single most important driving innovation in optimizing food safety?
Definitely. I mean, this is the development that we see, that there's a trend to more automation, and the automation is requiring information out of the process. So the sensors are gaining more importance since the last decades already. So the steps are ongoing. And on the other side, we need to ensure that if we additionally install something into a process, that it can be easily cleaned, it's not disturbing the process from hygienic purpose. So this is what is the aim of the working group, to bring that together, to support the automation part, but also to do that in a way that the process itself is not suffering, and that the users are really supported best possible in utilizing the equipment and getting the signal that they need for quality improvement, yield improvement. Very important. I mean, sustainability is one of the major points on everybody's agenda, and sustainability needs tighter process control, and tighter process control goes along with a sensor that is installed in the right way and supplying the high quality signal whenever is needed.
Holger, we see more and more sensor technology in inline food processes. What's going on? Why this development, and what are the benefits?
Yes, this is an ongoing thing, which is supported by automation technology a level higher, but it is also developing with the development of the sensors, with the accuracies, with the availability, with the signal strength that we have. Meanwhile, different steps that we see is coming from standard process controls, which has always been there, temperature, pressure, flow, level, into signals, and as well into the usage of signals that is much more sophisticated. This ends up for the user and the opportunity for inline quality controls, which is really enabling you to adjust the process while it is going, and to ensure that it always stays within the given or within the defined area of desired results. So we see that quality is relative. People need to achieve a certain result, and that inline quality controls enables them to exactly keep that corridor that they predefined for their production.
You're about to publish the first of a set of comprehensive guidelines on this topic, and this first part alone is, I think, more than 100 pages. Can you tell us how this development came about and what we can expect from it?
The guideline that is developing over the years, we started with that a few years meanwhile ago, but we updated that. We are not only on the forefront of development within the technology, but also within the development of guidelines within EHEDG. So we had a very strong focus on customer-centric and user-centric setup of the guideline, and the text of that is really going down to the user and how he can deal with the different technologies in process automation sensors. And therefore, the document became quite big. It's a 140-page document, and we changed in the meantime as well the way of displaying things from pictures of real-life sensors to 3D drawings that are showing the critical or the interesting hotspots in sensor and design, where people have to look after, and how people can utilize that.
Why is it important to closely work together and to exchange expertise, for example, in a working group like yours? And why is that important also for the end user of these sensors?
Yeah, the development is always a match of interests. I mean, the end users, the food producers know what exactly they would like to know next year. And the sensor suppliers know what is on the sleeve, what are the technology developments that are upcoming, if we can supply that. While the plant and machine builders know how they would like to optimize their machines, or what signals they would need to have to improve their machines. So in generally, we see that this is a team approach. Therefore, working in a working group like Group 37 is really helping not only the sensor suppliers, which for sure like to have direct feedback as well, but it enables as well the end users to get an insight what is on the shelf and to ensure that what is developed is really matching the requirements that they have.
For anyone out there who has never been part of an EHEDG working group, Holger, what would you say to them? What is enjoyable of joining your EHEDG working group Sensors? What can you offer them?
What do we have? We have the opportunity to design a new guideline in a way that EHEDG have not done that before. So we are working on the document 37. The first part is done with the handbook for the users, and now the second part should come up with the guideline for the designer, developer, as well as the sensor base, but also the plant and machine builders. And together with the know-how of all that three groups, we will definitely have the opportunity to make a great document that is supplying best usability and helping the industry, which is the basic aim of EHEDG, to improve the industry and make it better. So this is what we all have in mind, I think.
Thank you, Holger Schmidt, Chair of the EHEDG Working Group Sensors, for this interview.
Thank you very much, Rob, for getting the chance to promote the working group and to get the call to arms for new members. Thank you very much.
And dear viewer, if you sense that you could contribute something valuable, some valuable insights and expertise to this EHEDG working group, you are kindly invited to get in touch with Holger Schmidt. We will include his email address below, and to join this working group and to contribute to the next edition and the second part of this new guideline and make it even better than this one. Thank you very much.